So example number 25, a triangular prism with side of base 30 mm and axis 55 mm long is resting with an edge of its base on HP, such that the rectangular face containing that edge is inclined at 55 degree to HP. Draw the projections of the prism when its axis is parallel to VP. So here in this question, the important thing to note that it is inclined at 55 degree to HP. But before that, you need to also see here that rectangular face is inclined. So here the prism is resting on its edge on HP, and also the rectangular face which possesses that edge is inclined at 55 degree to HP. So this is a simple case of a triangular prism inclined to HP and the axis is parallel to VP. So we will see how to first imagine this. I'll place this triangular prism directly with the inclination angle, but while drawing I'll first assume that it is directly standing on the HP as we are doing from the for all inclined questions. So as you can see here, now I have placed this triangular prism on the HP. Observe below that it is resting on its edge and its also axis is inclined. As you can observe, the axis is inclined. It is somewhat tilted and it is resting on the edge. So when you see from this view, you will see some shaded rectangle, and it will justify the question's criteria. The rectangular face is inclined here. So front view will be a rectangular portion as now on the screen simply, and when you view it from the, so this will be the front view without planes, this rectangular portion, and when you view it from the top there will be a triangle, but also there will be some contracted rectangles. We will see how to draw these rectangles while drawing.
First, draw this triangular prism assuming that it is resting on the horizontal plane, and so I will get a triangle in the top view, and observe that now I will draw this with the 2H pencil. Because this is not my actual answer, I'm drawing this to get the dimensions first. And now the XY plane. As the height is 55, mark 55 here. So I have joined this diagram. Also, as I have mentioned that I need to take the axis line. Axis line can be taken as I have said it in this way, measuring 30 and then pointing the center and then joining the with other corner. So this is going to be your axis line. Now to the our actual answer. So as we have drawn after taking the assumption, now I will tilt this rectangle as per the angle given in the question. I am marking one point here because I am starting from this point, and this angle is going to be 55 degree, as you can observe here. 50. I am drawing a rough line here first, and then I will take the 55 mm distance. This is going to be my 55, and this length is 27. I know this because I have measured this distance 27 here, 27. That is why I have taken this length as 27. Then again 55 mm, and hence this completes our front view. But we have to mark the axis line, which is very important. So I am measuring the dimensions. from this point. And now to get the top view, we need to get some projections from the this top view and also this front view. I will mark some point for the reference 1 and 2, 3. This will be 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Center we can mark O, O dash. Here is the O dash. This point is 2 dash, 3 dash, because this point and this points are same, and this point and this point is same. 1 dash. So when we match 1 dash and 1, we will get a point here. 2 dash, 2 dash and 2 dash from here. 3 dash and 3 dash, 3 and 3 dash from here. And for this is 3. But as I have said, this edge is not visible. That is why we will take this in the hidden lines. And now we'll complete our top view. And for the dimensioning part, we need to give only 3 dimensions. One is the axis side of 55 mm, the base side of this triangular prism as 30 mm, and the angle, inclination angle of this face as given 55 degree. So our exercise number 25th is completed.
So this is the final solution of your example number 25. As you can see here, the angle of inclination here 55 degree,